If you use Firefox and want better privacy and security, there are a few settings you should change right away. In this video, I'll walk you through the most important options step by step so you can reduce tracking, clear sensitive browsing data, and make your browser more private with just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox, and in the top right corner, click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This is where all of Firefox's privacy and security controls are located. Once the settings page opens, look over to the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the options that have the biggest impact on how Firefox handles tracking, cookies, and secure connections. Now scroll until you find Enhanced Tracking Protection. By default, Firefox may use a standard protection level, but for stronger privacy, switch this to Strict. Strict protection helps block more trackers, social media cookies, fingerprinting scripts, and other third-party tracking tools that websites use to follow your activity around the web. It's one of the easiest and most effective privacy upgrades you can make in Firefox. After that, keep scrolling until you reach cookies and site data. Here, you want to make sure Firefox is not storing more data than you're comfortable with. If you want a cleaner browser session every time, go to the browsing data options and check clear cookies and site data every time you close Firefox. This is especially useful if you share a computer, log into multiple accounts, or simply don't want old session data lingering in your browser. It means Firefox will automatically remove stored cookies when you exit, helping reduce tracking and keeping your browsing more private over time. Next, scroll further down until you find DNS over HTTPS. This is another important privacy setting because it helps protect the websites you visit from being easily observed by your internet provider or other network level monitoring. Click Advanced Settings and then select Custom. From there, choose Cloudflare as your DNS provider. This helps Firefox route DNS requests more securely and can improve privacy while you browse. Once these settings are applied, you've already made Firefox much more privacy-focused and secure. You've turned on stricter tracking protection, limited cookie storage, and enabled a more private DNS setup. These are simple changes, but they can make a big difference in reducing unwanted tracking and improving your overall browsing safety. If you want to keep making your browser better, take a moment to review other privacy options in Firefox too, like permissions, history settings, and password management. Small adjustments like these add up fast. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.